Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back to our series on telemetry. Today I wanted to go over another way to use telemetry data, and that is called last value. At least there's a metric function called last value. So last time we used this one called counter. So let's section this off. So for telemetry demo. Now there's one that I wanted to use called last value. And so for this one, I'm going to make this one, let's call it hold value. And we want to count the value parts. And we need a comma over here. So this is just going to basically plot out the last value. So this one could be useful for something like, maybe the last time a message was sent out, or maybe when a user was last signing up, etc. So all kinds of different things it could be used for. But in this case, I'm just going to show you, how we can actually set this up. So for instance, we can just add a function called hold value. Let's take the value. And all we need to do is use telemetry and execute. And again, we use the telemetry demo. And this one we'll call hold value. And if you see again, this will line up, right? Telemetry demo hold value. And if we go over here, this one's called telemetry demo hold value. And you see this dot value part. Well, that one, see, last time we just had an empty map, and so for this one we use value, and we just pass in that value. And so if we start up our server and take a look, go to the live dashboard, and we take a look at our metrics, and of course we need to take a look at our telemetry demo. And at the bottom, here's our metric. And so what we need to do is we just say telemetry demo hold value. We can start with small number 1. And you'll see here's our 1. We can put a big value like 40. You'll definitely see it's a big difference. And we can put another small value again, maybe 8, something like that. And you'll see it's just going to hold and plot out, that last value. So as opposed to counter, right, which just keeps increasing every time it gets called, this one only just holds the last value, and then you can kind of compare over time. I mean, you could do this for different types of things. It's really up to you. And so this is how you can use the last value telemetry metric. So this is Alan from Plangora. Please subscribe if you haven't. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye. Hi. Please feel free to ask us any questions about Elixir, Flutter, or anything else in programming. Here's our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll answer your questions every Friday. Ya mantai ge dak man all. Yo wenti ji da wen wo